Planning a cruise from Cape Liberty Cruise Port? In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know, from the best ways to get to the port, where to park, and tips on navigating the boarding process. Plus, I'll cover what to expect during disembarkation, so your journey can start and end smoothly. The Cape Liberty Cruise Port is located in Bayonne, New Jersey. It is home to both Royal Caribbean and Celebrity cruises. The Cape Liberty Cruise Port is approximately 20 minutes from its closest airport, Newark International, and at least an hour away from Manhattan, which offers a multitude of things to see and do before and after your cruise. Jersey City and Hoboken also offer nearby shopping and sightseeing. Driving to the port is fairly easy to navigate, as there are lots of cruise terminal signage as you get closer to the terminal. But do note that if you would like to choose other forms of transportation like the train or bus, you will eventually have to end your journey by grabbing a car or Uber, as the closest stops are 2 to 3 miles away. The Cape Liberty Cruise Port website gives you directions, which I have linked in the description. Right before you enter the port area, you will find a shopping plaza which will help you if you are in need of those last-minute items for your cruise. The road leading to the port can seem quite long, but it is straightforward with signs, and once you are by the terminal, you will be directed on which path to take. If you are being dropped off by a shuttle or taxi, you will be dropped off across the street, where porters will greet you to get your luggage. If you are parking your car, you can drop off your luggage at the terminal building and then go to the parking garage adjacent and just past the terminal. At the time of this recording, parking is $30 a day. Reservations are not needed. However, be aware that if you are cruising during peak season, you may be directed to one of the additional overflow lots that is on site. They do have shuttles to take you to the terminal from those lots, and the parking garage does give priority to handicapped place. Inside the cruise terminal building, you will first go through security, and then through check-in, which can be expedited if you did your online check-in by just having to show your boarding pass and passport. You will then be directed to the right of the terminal to either wait to board or walk to go onto the gangway. If you are a suite guest, you must inform the port agents, as suite guests have their own separate section and entrance to the gangway, as they also have priority boarding. Fun fact, located at the end of Cape Liberty is the Teardrop Memorial. This structure was a gift from Russia as a memorial for the victims of 9/11. When leaving Cape Liberty Cruise Port, your ship may get clearance to sail past or around the Statue of Liberty before you sail under the Verrazano Bridge and start your journey. When you return to Cape Liberty Cruise Port at the end of a wonderful cruise, you'll exit with your luggage between the cruise terminal building and the parking garage, which is very convenient. The process was very quick and easy, as Cape Liberty has facial recognition, so you don't need to show your passport when exiting. Any pickups like shuttles, taxis, or Ubers will be located across the way. Subscribe for more tips and information. Thanks for watching. Happy cruising!